Hi, I am Ghanshyam from Career Web Technology. Today we are going to see the simulation process between the Mitsubishi PLC and HMI simulation. Mitsubishi PLC is the FX5U-32M and the HMI will be the GS series. So I am going to open the GX3. This is the PLC software of Mitsubishi. Okay, now user interface is open now. So I am going to take a fresh new project. So click here new, and you can see here FX5 is already selected, so there is no need to change anything. I am selecting here OK. Then okay, then you have to select here OK, and once again OK. Now the software is ready to prepare the PLC program. So I am taking a input, that is I am considering it is as M0. I have taken here memory bit, and you can okay, I am taking a output as Y0. Yes, after completing the PLC program, you have to compile, or you have to rebuild this program, or you have to save. Yes, I am save this program in desktop. I am providing here it's T20. Okay, T20. You can provide the name as per your requirement. I have done here. Okay, so I have set my program in this on desktop. So what I will do, I have to do rebuild, or that means compile. Why this is the error checking this is the error checking procedure. Error checking procedure. If there will be any error in your program, then it will be easily identified. From here you can see here that there is error 0 and warning 0. That means my PLC program is absolutely error free. So now what I will do, I am doing here, this is the simulation, and I am doing here start simulation. Now my PLC is going to the simulation mode, and a virtual PLC is created here. Then what I will do, I have to modify this one like this. And yes, after this modifying this one, my output is on. If I will modify once again, then my output will be off. And if I want to modify once again, this will be on. Yes, you can see here my output is on. If I want to off this one, yes, my output will be off. Okay, the simulation process in the PLC is completely successfully done. Then what we have to open the Mitsubishi HMI software, that is General 3, and you can see yes, so I am going to create a fresh new project here also. This is the GS series SMI of Mitsubishi PLC. What I have to do, I have to do here next, and you have to select your series. That is my GS series, so I have selected that GS, and sorry, we have to once again in controller type. What you have to do, you have to select your PLC type, that is my IQF. So I have selected here IQF, and you have to do it next, and once again next, then finish. Okay, now my software, my HMI software is ready to prepare the program. So what I am doing here, I am taking here as switch. Okay, this is my switch. You can provide here the type, that is my I have selected here alternate, and you can provide the name that I have taken that M0 as the input address. So we have mentioned here. If I want to provide any text, you can see AC. I am naming this is selector switch ECT, or selector switch to ITCS selector switch. You can see here. Okay, and like this, I want to take another object, that is how my output, that is bit lamp. Okay, I am taking here, this is a bit lamp, and I have to provide the address, that is my output address, that is y. Yes, this is y0, so I have mentioned here as y0. And what do I have to do, I have to save this one like PLC program. I have to provide the path where you have to save this HMI program. So I am doing here HMI 20, and you can provide the name as per your requirement. So what I will do now, I have to do here active the simulation from here. Now my simulation process is going on. Okay, my HMI is on the simulation mode. What I am doing here, okay, you can see this is my HMI have gone to the simulation mode. What I am doing here, for easy understanding, I, I am doing. Okay, you can see both PLC and HMI is in front of you on one screen. That if I want to open this from on this from HMI, you can see here there is a changes in the PLC program. If I want to off this from HMI, you can see here in PLC also this Y0 is off. If I want to on this from the PLC program, you can see here modify. Yes, my output is on here. If I want to off this from here, you can, yes, you can modify this. Yes, yes. And if you want to off on from HMI, and if you want to make it off from PLC, this is also possible. Yes, you can. If you want to on from PLC, and you can select here on. Yes, and if you want to off, yes. Now our simulation process between the PLC and HMI of Mitsubishi have completely done or successfully done. And thank you so much for watching this video. And a good news for you, our organization Career of Technology is providing free and paid course. Both courses are available. If anyone want to join with our training, we have paid